Wing it.
Do you know what you're going to do for TikTok today?
No idea. No clue. I think I'm just gonna have to wing it. I haven't had time to plan or prepare anything. So when you wing something, when you wing it, you do that thing without a lot of advanced preparation or practice. Maybe you have a test and you don't study for the test, so you wing it. Or you have a presentation that you need to give and you didn't have time to practice or you didn't want to practice, so I'm just going to wing it. Probably not the best strategy, but it happens. Maybe you have to make a TikTok video and you can't think of anything or you didn't have time to think of something and practice something, so you just wing it and hope for the best.